My name is Noah, and today we're going to be solving this jigsaw puzzle that is Christmas themed. And also, we're going to be opening after these sweets to see which ones we get. We're going to do it to the 23rd because today is the 23rd. And alright, so we took the wrapping paper off. Now we're going to open it. There we go. And there are 160 pieces. Bam, 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 bam. Alright, so we got all the pieces out. Alright, I already see a corner piece. Bam, 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 bam. I'm going to go explore. Oh no. And I'm gonna make Santa's face first, so does this, yeah. Here maybe? Yeah. I thought his face was gonna be bigger. His face is just 9 pieces. His face is just 9 pieces. Okay, let's do a little bit of magic. So after 2 hours of doing the jigsaw puzzle, you know you can get a little bit hungry when you do a jigsaw puzzle, so I'm gonna go get a little Christmas treat out of this. Because today is the 23rd. I'm gonna open 23 of these things. But first I have to cut this. Let's do it again. You can just put some chocolate milk in there and freeze it. Alright, so let's see what treats we get. Box number 1, a piece of chocolate. Alright. Number 2, it won't open again, a piece of chocolate. Number 3, a piece of chocolate. Is everything a piece of chocolate? Number 4, let me guess, a piece of chocolate. A piece of chocolate. Okay, this one just doesn't want to get out. Number 5, I already ate that piece of chocolate. Number 6, where the hell is number 6? Checking for number 6. Number 6. There we go. Number 6. I'm gonna have to tear the box open again, I think. Yep, there we go. I have to tear it open. Let's see. Yeah! I got a present. How about number 7? What's number 7? There you are, Mr. Number 7. FBI, open up. I got a train. Choo choo. Number 8. I don't know what this is. Number 9. Where's number 9? I got a Christmas tree. Number 10. That's a big piece of chocolate, but it doesn't want to get out. There we go. Santa, bim, bim, bim. I lost track of where it was. Oh, yeah. No. 11. Yes. I'm guessing a snowman. Number 12. Where are you, Mr. 13? I got you. Alright, where are you, Mr. 13? I found you, Mr. 13. Oh wait, no. Mr. 14, I found you. It's a donut. I don't know why it's a donut, but okay. Where's number 15? Found you, Mr. 15. It's a drum. I don't know why, but alright. How about Mr. 16? Ice cream. Okay. Hello, Mr. 20. And it's a Christmas bag. What's in 21? It's a baby deer. What's in Mr. 22? It's a palm tree, I think. And the last one we're gonna open. What do we get? It kind of looks like a rubber ducky, but I don't know. Yeet! Dead. No died muka. So I opened every single one, but the 24th, cause that's tomorrow. I'll read it tomorrow. Bye. I'm just joking. Merry Christmas. Bye.